Hi guys, welcome back again. Today I'll be making a short afro cap for myself. I'll be making use of a wig cap and a coil attachment. Already my attachment has been coiled. This is just like a cap, like a short afro cap for myself. So what I'll be doing is to be crocheting my already coils attachment on a cap, on the particular cap that I want to use. So I'll be crocheting it. I'll make sure the crocheting is everywhere. It's going to be full. I'll crochet every part of it and make sure there is no single space so that the cap will look very fine and full. Watch this video to the end. By the time you see the end of this video, you know that yeah, this is really amazing. Even though you don't know how to make hair, you can do this by yourself at home with any color of attachment of your desire. But here I'm using a 2 mix color of attachment to do this simple afro cap for myself. The end of this cap is so wonderful that even you'll be surprised that is this real. Very simple, a DIY that you can do at home with just your crochet, your attachment extension and your wig cap. Thanks for always supporting my video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because you get a lot of beautiful DIY like this from us.